guess I could show you what I'm doing. I keep forgetting. I keep forgetting to talk. Usually when I'm working by myself, usually the words that are coming out of my mouth aren't real nice. But I did figure out why the snowblower decided to grenade. Somebody had these bearing housings and everything in incorrectly. So they were in there just kind of flopping around when they shouldn't have been. Well, obviously they're not supposed to flop around, but I'll show you in a second. Okay, so what somebody had done was, there's two of these, so they had, so this is a whole housing here, so they had one on each side, so you can see like where there used to be one right there. So the bearing, instead of being nice and tight, was kind of doing, this one's not tightened yet, but it was doing, it could do this all it wanted. So that's what caused the failure. So now I got to get the gears and everything back on. Ouch! Watch my head. Got to get the gears and everything back on there and put her back together. Hopefully I get the distances correct. Anyway, let's get to it. A little bit of silicone lubricant on here. Oh, this is not fun, FYI. Like Jenga. Come on. Tap, tap. Tap, tap. All right. Come on. Oops. That would be a good reason why. Well, come on. Jesus Christ. You can see why the words that are coming out of my mouth usually aren't too nice. This is not cooperating for some reason. It's not even tight. I don't know what's going on. Come on. There you go. Be nice to me. Be nice and I won't hit you with a hammer. Yay! Okay. Put our half moon key in there. I don't know if you guys can even see that. So, half moon key. side doesn't work. There we go. iPhone key. Get in there. Damn it. Man. I gotta take all this apart again because I forgot the locks. Oh, yo, yo. This should fit in there. Maybe. Let's see. Come on. What the hell? Get on there. Lining all this stuff up is not easy. Come on, I'm going the wrong way, bearing. Oh. There we go. Hopefully that did it. What a pain in my ass. Okay, now it doesn't want to move. What the hell? Damn it. Come on! Fuck. Come on. What the? This is getting extremely frustrating. This fits on there just fine, I know that. Alright. I guess we got a 2-hammer this thing. Alright. We are in there now. Yay. That works out. This works out. Keyway's a little too long, so like right there. See that? A little bit of cussing and hammering. She is back together. Oh, come on. Might be trying to do that a little too close. Let's see if we can. Should be able to break it off. Maybe. We'll see. Well, she's going. Unwillingly, but it's going. That's what hammers are for. Persuasion. Ta-da! Ting! And she works. Alright, I think I'm done for today. Alright, you want to see what I'm doing now. So, I am beating this thing up here. Doing it the only way I know how, which is kind of car body style. But seems to work, so. to wash. And she's straight ish, but it works. Alright, I'll beat on this for a while. Oh, and yes, I know I'm supposed to be using a rosebud, but I don't have one, so no rosebud. This is what I got. Alright, well, she's all put back together. Even got this new graphite coating that I got that is supposed to help shed the snow and make it to where none of the snow sticks inside the snowblower. So we'll see how that works. I'm doing his, mine, and another neighbor's with the graphite stuff, so we'll see how it goes.